I recently came across Solyball Cooling Ace being advertised as a powerful portable air conditioner that supposedly cools room in minutes, cuts electricity bills, and delivers AC level cooling in a compact device. Now, honestly, that already makes a red flag out of the product. The marketing makes it sound like a revolutionary cooling breakthrough capable of replacing a traditional air conditioner, but let's be honest, Solubile Cooling Ace appears to be another dropshipping scam using fake reviews, AI generated marketing, exaggerated cooling claims, and misleading advertising to sell a cheap generic gadget. Now, this video is only for educational and awareness purpose. A quick disclaimer. One of the biggest red flag is the product itself. Despite being marketed as an air conditioner, Solubile Cooling Ace appears to be nothing more than a small evaporative cooler or portable fan with a water tank. Unlike a real air conditioner, it does not contain a compressor or refrigeration system capable of significantly lowering the temperature of room. Yet the advertisement claims it can cool room quickly, replace traditional AC units, and dramatically reduce electricity bills. Another major concern is the marketing. The website claimed thousands of happy customers, but many reviews appear difficult to verify. Some customer images and promotional materials are also appear staged or potentially AI generated. The company also claims a strong reputation and excellent ratings. Yet there appears to be little independent evidence supporting many of the claims made by the advertisements. The marketing further relies on fake urgencies and then discounts and low stock warning and then save up to this person just for selling the product. The exact same device is also found on Alibaba, Temu, AliExpress, on other Chinese marketplaces for like around $10 to $20, and the product is simply rebranded and marked up hues up to $50 or $70 and sold as Solibo. That's classic dropshipping behavior. In fact, very similar versions of the gadget appear every summer under different brand names, often using the same exaggerated claims about cooling entire room, frequently complain that the product performs little better than a basic desk fan. So let's call what it is. Solubile Cooling Ace appears to be another dropshipping scam built around fake reviews, misleading advertisements, exaggerated cooling claims, and marketing that makes a cheap imported fan look like a genuine air conditioner. If you're looking for real cooling, you're better off investing in an actual air conditioner than relying on viral ads promising impossible results. So stay sharp because many viral AC gadgets or cooling gadgets online are scams but built on hype and misleading marketing, not real innovation and science.